A jelly bean sorter to save the blind and the colorblind, a machine to save mankind from eating the wrong flavor. You may be wondering, how did you come up with this invention meant to save the world? Well, to understand the solution, we must first identify the problem.
It's rewind time.
Originally, I had in mind to count some beans, but after some initial testing I realized this was a little too messy. I eventually turned to jelly beans as they were cleaner and easier to work with. But these beans are different colors, I can't count these. But then I realized I had a solution to a problem people didn't even know they had. So like a proper snake oil salesman, I started working on saving humanity. By using a color sensor, I could separate the jelly beans based off of their RGB values, which took a lot of testing, but I was able to finally get. This separated the different flavors of jelly beans. The servos are just there to point the jelly beans in the right direction. The next step was to take this paper prototype and turn it into a 3D printed one. I wanted to film some 3D printing of these parts, but I never got around to it. So here's some renderings of those parts. Once these were all printed, I just had to stick them together and then take the sorter out for a test drive. And let me tell you, your eyes don't deceive you. It actually works. Most of the time. Now the jelly beans should actually land in their containers. Honestly, this machine is so cool. Maybe I'm biased because I made it, but it's so satisfying to watch. Not only that, but it's just satisfying to hear each kerplunk of a jelly bean falling into its appropriate container. It's almost like one of those ambient waterfalls people have in their offices. You know, it's so relaxing I may have accidentally solved world peace. What, you don't believe me? Here's an ASMR clip of the jelly bean sorter just working away. I mean, seriously, isn't that just so satisfying? Again, I'm probably just biased, but I could seriously watch this thing work all day. Do you have any suggestions of projects you want to see me do in the future? Write them down in the comments and I'll get around to looking at them. I'm always open to new creative ideas. If you're still watching, I think that means you like the project that I made, so why not subscribe and catch on to the other projects I make in the future.